Kabalen!
Nano Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Ako Marco Nanan, ning we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga doon ngayon ichuta mo kayo ng San Nicolas, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And may imbita kami po, baka tapakilala miya kayo ining Juancho's Food Station, ampong LJSV Carwash. This is not new kind of business, but not all car wash ampong food station kamiyabe. So interesting yan po yung lugar na. Pakit nila po rin services do, pakit nila mo naman din pamangan kini. So abe-abe tama po. Enjoy the video.
So tara, let's go!
So actually kinipin car wash din eh. May partner lang mo naman ng McArthur. So it's a Malaysian company na mag-supply car wash products.
Like wax, shampoo do, tire black.
Kung aliwa-liwa pang equipment mga Kibat kasantingan pa kaya ni, ding mag-detail lang po rin mag-car wash na. Matitrain la po from Microtex mismo, mga nanod na gamitan.
Mas effective lo.
Mas effective, that's the word. Okay, uitapin guys na. So syempre po itang magpa-car wash ka, minsan maninaya ka kasi it takes time talaga. Minsan lalo na nung maraguling sa akin mo. So kaya ni po guys na ding karelang pamangan kaya ni kabang maninaya ka, available la. So like for example, this one, ining nachos fries.
150 pesos siya mo, at yun kaya ben 4 gulaman drink.
Ini naman onion rings da guys, 90 pesos siya mo. At inya mo naman kaya ben 4 gulaman drinks. Kamuran! Ito guys na may ito pang interesting na dish. Itang ating free gulaman is this one. Ining karelang buffalo wings. As low as 150 pesos, 6 pieces. Na? Iba tating kapang libreng 4 gulaman. The dishes keeps on coming.
Yes.
And retong pinaka-late na din tang kaya katamo guys, are karelang
Silog meals do. So atinta mo bar po, chick silog, and chicken galantina silog.
for as low as 110 pesos. Ining karelang chicken, actually bala mo kaya yan. Hita pa 130 pesos yan. Ating laki ni, ingaws laki ni is buttered chicken. Again, for only 150 pesos.
As of now, pinaka top price na is 150 pesos.
Alright, muntata naman kayong karelang finger food or yung karelang pulutan. So, for a bucket of 6, ating kang free 1 pulutan. May order kang bucket of 4, ating kang aduang libreng pulutan. This one. Yung bucket na ni guys is just 350 pesos. Sabi mi pinandin may itong dandadayuan kayo ni isigarelang chiksilog. And then mumunta para mga karen are students as low as 50 pesos for a student meal. During lunchtime kasi malapit siya kayo nitang Dabso extension for the price of these meals. Iba't itang serving na talagang kumabsing estudyante ngayon eh.
Sold na.
So kaya guys, kompleto yan ha. While you're waiting or while you're eating, pwede kang manalbeg ang TV. Pwede ka mo naman mamaya ng billiards. Baga, pampalako inip. Kaya ba't man itong tam car wash ang pong / pipanganan. This one is it na. Ito not only masa-servicing sa akin mo, makapangan kang mayaman na pamangan, makapamyaman ka pa. Apin po ini LJSV Carwash and Detailing. Okay, but apin ini naman tang
Juancho's Food Station.
perfect, Nes. What we are giving you are options. It's a great find actually. So magpasalamat kami po Karela for inviting us. And magpasalamat kami mo naman kaya kayo for watching this video. So if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Share this with your family. And sana po akit na kayo po Kenny. Salamat po kay Pamanalbe. Peace out. Bye!
Kabalen, agad dakongan po, malaos at bisitahan nyo kayo po kayo ng Juancho's Food Station para takman po rin ang beer bucket promos niyo po. Affordable silog meals, student meals for LJSV Carwash. Pag naka 7 wash kayo po kaming promo meal for your 8th visit, we will wash your car for free. We are located along McArthur Highway sa Nicolas, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. For LJSV Carwash and Detailing Services, we are open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. For Juancho's Food Station, we are open Monday to Saturday, 7 a.m. to 11 or 12 midnight.
Guys, we hope to see you here.